Hello everyone, I am going to talking about Museum of Innocence. Uh, Museum of Innocence is a novel by Orhan Pamuk, Nobel laureate, Turkish novelist, published on August 29, 2008. This book is based on real love story, and this book mentioned that their life, friendship, sexuality, loneliness, happiness, and family. This book was created in 10 years and it includes between 1975 and 1984. Main characters are the wealthy businessman Kemal and a poor distant relative of his Füsun. This book is also a museum, and Füsun's home be turned into a museum. Everything that Kemal has kept about Füsun so far is exhibited in that museum. This museum is in Çukurcuma, Beyoğlu, Istanbul. Entrance ticket is in the book. This museum and this ticket in the book, and Füsun's cigarette butts, Füsun's dress, Füsun's earring, and Kemal's bed. Kemal lived there for many years after Füsun's died, and he liked this place. Thank you for listening.